Hello everyone, today pretty much we are going to be doing the Magic Mouse review and unboxing. So, off the bat, it's in a pretty nicely sealed box. Here I'm about to sabotage it with some scissors. Whoop, my finger thankfully wasn't there. Okay, peeling away. Yeah, taking some time. Sorry if you hear my fan in the background, I'm doing a lot of hard work. I would use my professional microphone, but I wanted to test out the one on here to see how it sounds. Yeah, this is the Magic Mouse Series 2 Space Gray edition. This is not silver, this is Space Gray. This is the one that came out a while ago, but it's still brand new. I'm actually using it to edit right now. That's pretty funny. And it comes in this nice box with an engraving in it. Man, I was so careful with it because the whole thing's a touch screen. Sorry about those lines you see on the screen. I have my LEDs on. But yeah, you can see it's a glass panel on top. Very reflective. It's a touch screen. And it's also got a click on it as your, whatever it's called, left click. It's all one left click button and a right click. The Magic Mouse top part of the box is actually bigger than the bottom. But here we have the Magic Mouse 2 instructions, which I will not be taking out of the seal. Oh, there goes the charging cord with its special limited edition plug-in that's black. Well, it's not limited edition, but it's nice to have because usually on an Apple product you don't get that for a charging cable. Let's put that aside. We're not going to be doing anything about that in today's video. That probably would have came in handy. Yeah, now we have this. Yeah, back to the charging cord. It's a lightning cable. You can see the black tip. I was really amazed how cool it looks. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the box. You can see from right to left, we have all the components and everything, or all the inside accessories. Yeah, so pretty fascinating thing to look at. So let's start from the right. Lightning cable. Box thingy, instruction manual, Magic Mouse Series 2 itself, Space Gray. Beautiful, I love that titanium on the bottom, especially its charging port. Yeah, now especially right now, my fan's getting real loud. Okay, what's next? Yeah, that's all that. My desks, or my loading bins in the back. Magic Mouse, the box, and everything. That's pretty much it. Oh, what's happening? I'm gonna connect, and you could just watch this. So at this point, yeah, you can see the Bluetooth is finally working the proper way. Good thumbs up for that. Moving on to next, this is going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. It was just pretty much an unboxing of just all the sorts of stuff that was with the Magic Mouse. That's actually a lot, but sadly it doesn't come with the, what is it called, Apple stickers. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up. Bye.